Hey everyone, it's Maurice back with episode 2 or episode 2 of Retro Tech, a new series on, refurbishing and repurposing old tech for new challenges and new adventures. This is a small form factor PC that was donated to me. That used to be part of a hospital and or clinics network. You could probably see these little computers inside their doctor's offices if you go to the bigger hospitals. It's an HP, but after looking at the hardware, let's take a look at the specs on the screen. Computer's currently running. I've repurposed it to run Kali Linux. Sorry for stumbling over my words here, as I try and move up with the camera to show you the specs on this computer. As you can see, like I said, it's running Kali Linux, and the version is, 4.16. It's a distributed by Debian. The CPU is a AMD Athlon, Athlon 2, as you can see. The GPU is AMD RS 880, and I think the max memory supported in this was 16 gigabytes. But as I said before, this is repurposing old tech for new purposes. So this is what I use as my Kali Linux system currently. This computer was donated to me. I can do digital forensics, some programs like Wireshark, and most of the programs that come with Kali Linux. I have it hooked directly into my network. It shares the keyboard and mouse with my main Windows 10 gaming PC. I'm sorry, screen went dark there. Ugh. Shooting videos is always tough. Anyway, let's get that back. Sorry about that. Not gonna edit that out, by the way. Like I said, this is just episode 2 of Retro Tech. I'll definitely get better at doing this particular podcast. Um, as I was saying, Kali Linux is best used for offensive cybersecurity, and as I study this, going into my A plus and security, security plus exam and the networking plus exam, the hands-on stuff that I'm able to do with Kali Linux has really been a help. I've been in tech for almost, 20 odd years or so, and got into Linux maybe about, I'd say a little less than 10 years ago or so. So Kali, I've really learned a lot using Kali. It's probably been, besides Ubuntu and Linux Mint Cinnamon, they're the main three I've used. I think I also used Fedora at one time. But as I said, working in Kali on this particular system has definitely taught me a lot. Next week I'll probably feature the laptop which I have Linux Mint Cinnamon installed on, and then I'm probably gonna be doing what you can another one with showing you what you can do with the old Galaxy S7 cell phone and turning that, testing apps and web development type stuff on that. So I do have future podcasts of retro tech already planned out. And this has been, the episode 2 of Retro Tech, showing you what you can do with the old small form factor computer, turning into a Kali box because it has the speed and the power to do that. Like I said, hooking that up to your home network and basically using, repurposing old tech for new purposes and giving them new challenges instead of just throwing it away or donating it or something. I always turn older machines into Linux boxes. Different distros work on different systems a little bit differently, and Kali requires a lot, so this system fitted perfectly. Apologies for the voice and everything as always, because this time of year my allergies are really attacking me. But I wanted to get, like I said, I wanted to get episode 2 out. Thanks for everybody for watching. If I didn't cover anything, you can ask me questions down in the comments. This will be on my Tech YouTube channel, which is HMBS Tech. And there's also a website to go along with that, that's hmbstech.com. Again, You can reach me on Twitter at the solution 001 and on Instagram at the solution 07 and on Facebook at Maurice Butts. Just click the Linktree link in all of those profiles. You can keep up with what else I'm doing. As I said, the website will be hmbstech.com again. That's hmbstech.com. This has been episode 2 of Retro Tech. Your place that gives old tech new life. Thanks everybody for watching.